Hey guys, welcome back to what episode are we on? Hold up. Welcome back to episode 8 of the Slime Rancher 2 series. In this episode we're gonna be finishing off the map, completing some of the Gordos, such like that. We're gonna be looking for a very specific slime, however it is a rare spawn, so the chance of us seeing it is very low. Uh I feel like it's kind of obvious which slime I'm talking about. But for those of you, I will allow you, allow you look it up yourself. Really want before I find it, which will probably be quite some time. But we, but I will keep it a mystery for those who don't already know, and for those who kept this as a practice. Yeah, so we're gonna be heading to Starlight Strand because out of all of these, I have all of the nodes for that. I have all, well not, yeah, all the like map nodes. I have the map nodes for here, here, and here completely done. It's just these two that I'm missing on the Starlight Strand, or in Starlight Strand on it. Yeah, so we're gonna wanna keep our eyes on certain things. It became like an old. What the heck? It's through here. Yeah, it is. It has been a hot minute since we've been here. Spent so long because I forgot that you needed to first the pink Gordo to get it. And down here, yeah. Yeah, we can go here, I believe. Yeah. Okay. There we go. No problem. Alright. We're already 50% of the way done with the remaining ones. Considering that there's only 2. Now we just need to get the one down here, and it should be down there. It shouldn't be too much of a problem, considering that I'm able to like get most places simply by jumping without the jetpack. I could get pretty high, but now that we have the jetpack, again, shouldn't be too much of a hassle or anything. It's just a bit annoying when it runs out. Yeah, now we're just chilling. We're just roaming. We are not roaming, but we are roaming. There's a very clear difference there. Hold up. Because then there's one there, and then we need to... Wait. Yeah, no, because there's one there. Okay, okay. It was just throwing me off. And then now we need to go a whole whoop, and then a whoop. Right? It looks like it'd be a more clear shot on the blue side, so once we reach down there, I might, oh. Don't particularly want to deal with that today. Haha. Not to cut you butt. Nope, no slime there. Gotta keep our eyes peeled on the cups. Okay, so now that we're here, we're gonna go on the blue side. Yeah, over here. And then we're gonna do that. We're gonna loop around there, and then we're gonna go down. Okay. Okay, so it's through there. Actually, there's a lot of. It's not there. So what we're gonna try and do is we're gonna try and jetpack all the way over there. My ear started ringing. That's not very good. There we go. I'm aware of the little guy buzzing away up there. And now that we are down here, first off, we are in new territory. I know, right? Spending so much time in the Starlight Strand, yet we've never been up here. I actually don't recall being up here in my main save as well. Pretty bizarre. Oh well, there's the Flutter Gordo. Also, ominous light emanating from there. Okay. Because now that we're down here, I just want to continue around here. It's on there. Okay. I have like a map that I'm checking with. I know, ironic using a map to find the map. Because I don't think I ever got this. Like, ever. I don't know where I am. This is well, I mean, like, I know that I'm in Starlight Strand, whatever, but it's like, I don't quite know which direction to go for anything. Oh, very much. Oh, flutter slimes! Man, it took us a while to find those, huh? Doink doink. Okay, I know these guys eat nectar, but the question is, where do I get the nectar? Oh, it's up there. Okay. I'm just gonna pull a cowabunga? Yeah, I'm gonna pull a cowabunga. And then we're gonna go, whoop-ya! And boom. There we go. That's the map. Completely uncovered, I do believe. Let me check my sources really quick. Yep. Completely uncovered. Let's go. And now that we have the whole uncovered map, I think it's time to pop some Gordos. I'm not 100% sure on where to get nectar, that's the thing. Where to find in Slime Rancher 2. Okay. Southeastern area of Starlight Strand. Okay, well, north, south, east, west. So southeastern. So bop bop. Southeastern, starting right at the as the border between the island's northern and southern areas. What? First off, I think we should check this area out sometime. This is the southeastern pink-colored area. Okay. Okay, so we are here. We are. This looks incredibly ominous. You know what? We're not following some dumb tutorial. I appreciate the interwebs as well. I appreciate the interwebs. No, but we aren't gonna use it to find the nectar because I can't find it, I'll be honest. Whoop yeah! Also, because we're gonna pop the Gordo we kind of need to know where this nectar stuff is. So, just taking the glory scenery for a bit. How to get Moondew nectar? Okay, well that's really helpful. Yeah, showing the locations, but like, okay. Southwestern, okay. I mean,
Basing off of the location of these 3 islands.
oh, that's a little place. So it's round blue resources on the ground, or lilac flowers growing high. Oh, okay, well, I've already spotted one. It's over there. Oh, and there's one over here. Okay. Never mind. These aren't it. I'm slow. What? Oh, what is it linked to? Okay. I'm more confused, in fact. There. Oh, you can only find an Pikmin nectar at night. Okay. So, hey guys, we gotta wait until it is 6 p.m. That doesn't sound right. But we gotta wait until it's 8. Yeah, no, that's not 16. Because 16 would be 4. So we oh my goodness gracious. We gotta wait a little bit. Hey guys. See little critters now. Yeah, okay, this one thing. Bro, this guy is angry. Dude, just do. Oh, okay, okay. A flutter portable. Where would the flutter portable? Oh, it's because these guys are multiplying. Okay. 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 Okay, I say. God. So there's a ringtail over there, but ringtails don't come out at night, so I'm assuming that's the exact same thing for the Gordo, considering that it isn't in a cave. Which kinda sucks, but I mean, at least they're keeping true to the theme. That sounds like I'm bitter about it. I'm not bitter about it. I'm glad that they apply the same rules to everything, even if it is a mild inconvenience. So it's coming up on like 4 p.m. in game now, which is a good thing. Here, I'll give this. You guys can look at this while I examine things. Yeah, okay, so seems classified between 8 p.m. and 6 a.m. as that. Okay. Well, are there any other Gordos nearby? Okay. So, we can access one, however, it might set us back, which would be very unfortunate. It's just a triangle around. A triangular square. Okay, well, I mean, I'm glad that it registered it on my map. Like that's nice. Very considerate, kind thing to do. So from what I've heard, the angler is in a cave somewhere. Like the angler Gordo. I just have one question, and that's where's the cave? Because I don't want to like drop down somewhere and like either have to backtrack a bunch or like yeah, just backtrack a bunch because that's really annoying. That would be rather unpreferred. Oh, Agrax Earthshade. I think that's a shade from like Warhammer painting or whatever. Ah, here we are. There we go. There's Buddy. Hey there, little guy or big guy. Here, you can have that. Yoink. Oh, sweet. Okay. So now we are going to make a mad dash and collect as much as as we can, considering that these guys will devour everything in their path. Oh no, the ringtail got it, didn't it? Oh god, the ringtail got it. No, the ringtail didn't get it. Oh, thank goodness, thank goodness. I love you, ringtail. I do really like ringtail slimes. Like, well, they kind of clearly aren't my like favorite slime. I like them. I appreciate their design. It is very good. Ringtail lemurs are very cool. Am I biased to King Julian? Yes. Cowabunga, please, please. Damn, only 3? Like, am I just really blind? Don't answer that question. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Simply put it, I didn't allow them. No, no. Rather not. No. No. Stop. Put that down, Jeremy. Called Tart Jeremy. Just in case there's any Jeremy watching. That was not directed towards you. Unless it was, in which case put that down, Jeremy. Yeah, 'cause it's not gonna be in here. God. Stop. You have no survival instincts. These guys literally just eat. Like, stop. Get some common sense, dog. Stop, 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 stop. They did in fact stop. Crisis averted. Yeah, letter my main goal is to blow up. First off. No. I kinda don't want to deal with this right now, but like, I mean, you do you, okay? Oh, hey guys. Boom! Whoa! Actually, I didn't notice that before. Look at that. It's like pink and then blue. Pink and then blue. That's actually really cool. And then it's like the rainbow down there and fighting it. And they've got the two different types of tree. Oh, that's actually really sick. I like that. I never noticed that. Played this game for several hours and I never noticed it. Bonk! Bonk! Oh. Throw nectar. Dude, does that stuff really rot that fast? What's this? I've been bathed in light, yet nothing has happened. There's probably some deeper moral or whatever in that.
Just because one was bathed in light does not mean one
It has changed or something stupid like that. Like, I mean, because that's getting into police and such. I don't care really for it. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna turn a blind eye to that. No, I can't ignore it anymore. No! 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 Unhand me! Stop! Stop! I swear to God, if any of the tar eat a single puddle slime, I'm going to be mad.
shivers when a nice guy is cool, so it didn't make me angry.
That's literally what I think. So I think if pop pop pop. Oh, that could have been bad. Oh well. Womp womp. So we only need to feed 15 Moondew nectars to it. However, since we already fed 2 to the Gordo, then that means that we only... Oh? Then we need to feed 11 to it. No. We need to feed 13 to it. I cannot explain how that math even begun to add up in my head. Don't get away from the edge, buddy. Get away from the edge. However, we can knock that down to 12. I mean, hey, glad that I found that. Thank you to the article that I read. I read a whole article. I accepted cookies for this. Diet bar. Back off, back off, back off, back off, buddy. Wait, what is this thing? Cause I know it eats, it eated. It is gilded. the proof impossible to capture. Gold slimes are quick as a flash and will immediately begin to take off. If your rancher is to profit from the encounter, they need to think quick. Their appearance often induces panic and leads to sometimes fatal mistakes. Further, the only way to obtain gold floors is to strike gold slime with any spare resources in your back. Oh, doing so can produce a gold floor, though it also leaves a trail of additional resources in the area, leading to unintended largos or worse. Okay. Okay. Okay, well, I'm an idiot. What's new? I actually didn't know that. Glad to know that I don't have to feed them. I think that's all the Moondew we can collect for tonight. I'm unsure as to where to collect more, or if collecting more is even possible for tonight. That is. But hey, we found some. Didn't find that in my casual playthrough. That's radiant ore. Yeah, it is. Thought it was gonna do, but no, it's just radiant. Yeah, it's 3 though. It's a good vein. Calling it a vein as though it's like Minecraft, like diamond vein. I mean, I could play Minecraft on the channel. That would depend if it was something you guys wanted to watch. Cause like me personally, like I play it on and off in my free time. Like I haven't played it in like a couple of months. Believe it or not, I have never very shiny looking rock. But believe it or not, due to my absolutely incredible gaming skills, I've never beat the Ender Dragon, like, by myself. In like, sorry. I've never beat the Ender Dragon, like, by myself in a survival stage. Or with a friend, legitimately. Ah, here we are. The giant mushrooms on this island are responsible for maybe the greatest, mycological discovery of my life. Sorry, but it's a secret. Oh, thanks. That's really helpful, actually. I didn't even want to know what the secret was. I did. Oh, hey. I'm sure I can find one of those in here. Let me just deposit the beeswax real quick. Blue. Oh, you guys need veggies? Okay. Oh, never mind. God, turns out you're not getting fed. Oh my god. Oh. I would have thought that there was another one on the other side. That's pretty cool. I found that completely legitimately as well. Stop. Not again. Damn it, Sandra, you already took the kids. Thanks. Okay. Alright. That's pretty neat. Fuck. Boom, I was prepared for that one. Gold floor, let's go. Nope, no guy here. Okay, so now we know what to do in the future. That's cool. Gonna return back to the conservatory. Deposit the things and whatever. And then we chillin' and we building. Pretty sure if I had chased it down, I could have gotten another floor out of that, but you know, hey, one's one. Better than nothing. What? I'm not delusional, right? Like, there was a golden slime there. I heard like the whole mystical like chimes and such, and I turned around and I saw it, but then when I went to like hit it with something, cause like I swear I swear guys, but it was gone. Way to go, bring my boy back. Bring him back. Please. consistently, shall we say, like not like it'll be a bit here and there. Like it's every Sunday. Like I have it in like this every Sunday. It's every Sunday. 1:15 or 4:15. I have like the specific time zones mentioned or channel about page. I can't remember. It's like, yeah, so I'm trying to upload that. But yeah, again, if you have anything that you want to suggest or anything, any game you want me to play, just throw a quick suggestion. I'll check it out and such. But on that note, guys, we will leave that here for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, I don't want to like plug and be like, oh, like and subscribe and such. But I mean, if you like the content, like do that. This is unedited, so this is really bad. I apologize for the outro. I'll catch you in the next episode. Thank you.